Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have the circle with an equation x plus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equal to 25. We're asked which of the following points does not lie on the interior of the circle. So if we have a circle, right, we can say any point that is on the actual circle itself is its own set. We have the points inside the circle, that's the interior, and then the points outside the circle, that's the exterior. Okay, so how do we find this? Well, if x plus 3 plus y minus 1 squared is less than 25, right? Let's say it's equal to 16, right? The equation of a circle is such that x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So hk is that's the center of the circle. So this circle and this circle have the same center because this side of the equation is the same. So not just the same center, but r squared is smaller, and therefore r is smaller, and therefore this point, right, or this equation is just this smaller circle. So if you plug in, let's say -7, 3 here, and then you get this side of the equation is equal to 16, that means it's on this smaller circle. And if it was 36, for example, that means it's in this bigger circle. So if it's in the interior of the circle, that means that x plus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared is less than 25. So let's start plugging in points. So for the first point, x is -7, so this is -7 plus 3 squared, plus y is 3, so 3 minus 1 squared is less than 25. -7 plus 3 is -4 squared, plus 3 minus 1 is 2 squared is less than 25. So -4 squared is 16, plus 2 squared is 4, less than 25. 16 plus 4 is 20, which is less than 25. So again, x plus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared in this case is equal to 20, which means it's some circle inside the actual circle. I'll make the actual circle a little bit darker so you get the point. Pretend that's actually a good circle. This is some circle smaller than it. Okay, let's try this point right here. We have -3, 1. So x plus 3 squared is -3 plus 3 squared, plus y minus 1 squared is 1 minus 1 squared, because y is 1. And this needs to be less than 25. -3 plus 3 is 0. 0 squared is 0. So 0 plus 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 squared is 0. 0 plus 0 is 25. 0 is less than 25. So what does it mean for the radius of this circle to be 0? Well, that means that this point is actually just the center of the circle. Okay, so these points are both in the interior, right? The center is obviously in the interior of the circle, which is supported by the fact that 0 is less than 25. So then moving to our next point, the origin, x is 0 and y is 0, so we have 0 plus 3 squared plus 0 minus 1 squared is less than 25. 0 plus 3 squared is 3 squared is 9, plus 0 minus 1 squared, -1 squared is 1, less than 25. 9 plus 1 is 10, is less than 25. 10 is less than 25. It's on some smaller circle. C is good. And therefore, without checking, we know that D must be our answer. Well, we can plug it in anyways, right? X is 3, so we have 3 plus 3 squared. Y is 2, so 2 minus 1 squared is less than 25. 3 plus 3 is 6 squared, plus 2 minus 1 is 1 squared is less than 25. 6 squared is 36, plus 1 squared is 1 is less than 25. 36 plus 1 is 37, which is not less than 25, so it's in this bigger circle with the points right here outside of the circle. It's not in the interior. D is going to be your final answer. So hopefully this made sense, right, in terms of thinking about the interior of the circle itself, and then the exterior of the circle. If explaining what it means to be on these smaller circles or these larger circles helps, that's great. If you're just going to use the inequality and say, okay, x plus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared is less than 25, we just need to focus on the inequality and nothing else, that works too. But hopefully actually understanding the geometry of it helped you with understanding the concept, so when you're seeing this on the test, you remember it a little bit better. But anyways, your answer is going to be D. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.